Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create thumbnail with the help of AI. Here's how to create a thumbnail with the help of AI on Windows using one of the easiest AI tools. First is to open your browser, then go to canva.com and sign in or create a free account. On the Canva homepage, type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar and press enter. Click Create a blank YouTube thumbnail to open a new project. In the toolbar, select Apps from the left side panel. Scroll and click Magic Media, AI Tool, or search Magic Media in the Apps search bar. Type a short prompt describing your thumbnail, for example, a colorful gaming thumbnail with a glowing sword and text that says Ultimate Boss Battle. Press Generate Image and wait for Canva's AI to generate several thumbnail designs. Browse the results and click on the one that best matches your vision. Use Canva's text and the Elements tools to customize fonts, colors, and layout. Once satisfied, click the Share button on the top right corner. Choose Download, PNG, and finally click Download to save your AI generated thumbnail to your computer. Pro tip: use descriptive prompts like cinematic tech thumbnail with neon blue lighting and bold white text to help the AI design match your content style. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.